Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, this is millet fufu. I turned millet into fufu. Yeah, millet is a good source of protein, and using it to make fufu is a good way of getting protein into your system, especially when you want to run away from much carbs. Yes, millet fufu is the best or one of the best alternative. Yeah, because I have so many of that healthy fufu in my channels here. So millet fufu is one of the best. Let me share with you how I made this millet fufu. First, I started by getting my millet, washing and then drying it. Then I ground it into powder. I have a video of how to make millet powder. So after grinding it into powder, I can now make fufu anytime I want with it, and that is what I'm doing here. If you have not seen that video, I will leave the link in the description box below. You can also find it in my channel or in my Facebook page. Making fufu with this millet powder or millet flour is very simple. It's so easy to make. All I have to do is to boil water, and once the water starts boiling, then pour the millet powder or millet flour into the water. Stir it around and continue to stir until you get the consistency you want. Then after a while, add it some water, cover and let it cook for about 7 minutes. And then you stir again, stir it very well, mix it until it becomes very smooth. If you want it very soft, then you have to add more water, especially if you're not eating it immediately. But this one, we're eating it immediately, so I don't need to be very soft. This consistency is okay for me and my family, or for my family and I. So after 7 minutes, turn it, mix it, and you have your millet fufu.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through, rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly, each corner dish, each key a spice, conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
And you can enjoy this with any soup of your choice, whether it's a wedu or a foriro, a goosey soup or heart soup, vegetable soup. Which one have I not called? Black soup, any soup of your choice. You can enjoy it with it. Hope you are going to give this a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly